What's up, everybody? It's Jacob Knox here. Today I'm going to be giving you guys a quick tutorial on how to make like Uzi type beats. So yeah, let's get started. Just like all my other tutorials, I usually start with the melody. So here we go with Uzi type beats though, or at least with the ones I like to make. A lot of them sound like playful or like really melodic. So yeah, here's what I got. Here are the notes too. So as you can see on a lot of them, I just have like two notes, a two note chord, I guess, even though a chord technically I think is three notes. But yeah, so it's almost like I almost set it up like a pad. Like if you extend these out, I can like make pads out of it. But so yeah, that's it. I actually have halftime on it, so even without it, it sounds good. So this is without it, the main melody. 150 BPM. So I mean, it still sounds good, but I just wanted to put the halftime on it just because I've been doing that a lot recently, and it sounds good. I also have these other little bells or like keys in the background, but you don't have to do that. Like I said in my other videos, you can have one melody and carry that out like the whole time, at least nowadays. And I have halftime on this too. This is what this looks like. I think what I did on this one, I think I just copied and pasted it over, raised it up one octave, and then like deleted a lot of the notes and only kept like some of them. So that's why. So yeah, you can see that actually here on the in the picture. So yeah, after that, I did the hi-hats. What a lot of people don't understand is like you don't have to do, what a lot of people do is they just click on their hi-hat, do the fill each 2 steps, and then they start like, you know, drawing extra stuff. But like you don't always have to do like the hi-hat hit like every single time. Like this is what my hi-hat sound like. So like this hi-hat pattern gives it a lot of groove here. This is what it looks like. So yeah, usually people do that where it hits like every time, and yeah, it sounds good on a lot of beats, but not every single beat has to be like that. So yeah, in this particular beat, it just sounded better just for me to do that. And then I have a simple clap. Your selection of like those drums matter a lot. Like I hear a lot of beats that people have where they have really good melodies, but then their like clap either doesn't hit or it's like doesn't match with the beat. They'll put in like a boom bap clap or boom bap snare or something like that, and it just doesn't sound good. So always make sure you have good sounding like drums. Like it makes or breaks your beat. Put an extra snare, gives it more bounce. And with like just with these snares right here, like pay attention how like when the beat comes in and there's that little pause right there, boop, 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 pause, dun, boop, dun, dun, boop, dun. And yeah, the last 2 things I have are my kicks. So. See how like the kick matches really well with the snare right here. So it goes kick, snare, kick, 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 snare, kick, 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 kick. So yeah, that matters a lot on your groove. Here's my 808. Really simple here. I'll give you all the pattern too. Really simple. Just make sure everything's like on key. So yeah, this is how to make Uzi beats, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Like and subscribe, and be on the lookout for more of my videos. Thanks, guys.